Hi. So we have a McKinsey visual with us right now. It's not particularly complicated, but I really like the way they're using complementing colors, right? So we have primarily two colors that are being used here, and they look really well, and as in they go really well with each other. Let's try to recreate it. Now, I don't want to do the entire thing because that will take a lot of time, but I just want to focus on the specifics. And once you start with it, then you'll be able to do all the others as well. So let me make a rectangle. We will remove the outline and keep the same fill color. Next to this, we also want to choose the lighter shade and we will put it like this. Now to get the stripe through, we'll have to quickly understand how we do this. So let me just crop the specific area and let us zoom onto this. So this is the shape that we want to create. So maybe I can start with a let's start with a rectangle. Let's rotate it a little bit. Copy it one more time and then let's join these two. All right, that seems good. Once we have done this, I will need to do a union. So shape format, merge shape and a union. We can make the shape outline the same color like this. Let's change the fill color to white and finally the shape outline would be a slightly higher weight. That looks good. I think the only thing left is that we have to keep this open, right? So you notice that there is no border here. Let's see how we do this. So I'll make two rectangles, no outline, and the shape fill will be white. The same thing we'll do here as well. Excellent. I think this looks great. Let's select all of this and we can cut it and then paste it as an image. Okay, not as an image like this, but we want to cut it and paste it as a PNG. Let's see if that works. Yeah, I think this should work. And now this can come on top of our existing column like this, right? So I think it looks great. Let's just increase the width a little bit. Yeah, that should do it. Yeah, so I think that was the tough part. The other things should be fairly simple. Now we can just copy it a few more times. One more time. We can change the height a little bit. Maybe this one is a little taller. And we need these circles. That should be easy. Create a simple circle. The shape fill will be white. The shape outline will be this orange. Let's also increase the weight a little bit and we will keep our number in it. So plus 89% per annum. The font color will also be the same color that we've just used. Let's make the font size a little less. Okay, so we can keep this here. Now then we have to connect it through a dotted line. So insert shapes and a line. Nothing special here. We just connect like this. The shape outline is orange, and the dashes will be, let's say, a dashed or a dotted line, whichever one you want. You can select that. Let me choose this one. I think this looks better. Increase the weight a little bit, and let's copy it, rotate it. Then this can come here. On the horizontal line, we want to have an arrow, so we'll keep a single arrow like this. I think that looks great. What else is required? Maybe this can move a little to the inside. Okay, I think this has to be in the center, so we might have to decrease the size of the circle a little bit so that this can come in the center. I think that looks great. And my font size can decrease a little bit. We also want to keep the shape format as white, and we want to bring this circle in the front. Excellent, that looks great. Let's copy the circle below, remove the text. The shape fill will be the same color, and the opposite thing is that the font color will be white. We can write the number 1 inside this. We don't need such a large circle, so let's reduce the size. Put this here, right? Yeah, I think that about covers it. So, like I said earlier, I'm not doing the exact same, uh, the same number of columns. We don't need to. You've seen broadly, this is how we recreate all of the elements that we need. Once you've done this, then it's just a matter of copy and paste.